this wasn't just an ordinary payment transaction on Square. This tap rang the opening bell at the New York Stock Exchange. A hug from a proud mom. Her son, Twitter co-founder and Square CEO Jack Dorsey, is taking the payment company public.
We're down here at the New York Stock Exchange. You're a Square vendor. Here we're celebrating Square going public. Talk to me about how did it change your business?
Yeah, well, it is an honor to be here today with Jack. I'm an entrepreneur just like him, and we want to build something special. And Square has made the process so much easier, especially on the retail end, processing transactions every day, and probably more importantly, giving us the capital and other resources to really make the business grow.
Jack, we're standing at the New York Stock Exchange. You have this huge flag up with all the vendors, and it says the neighborhood is going public. Talk to me about what that means to you.
We brought our merchants here on Wall Street, and they're selling, and that's what it's all about. It's about making the sale, and that's how we started 6 years ago, is giving sellers tools to make the sale. A big part of our work is helping them make more sales too, so we have perfect alignment with our sellers. Anytime we help them grow, we grow.
As the excitement of the IPO fades, the pressure is on as investors question the valuations of so-called unicorns, privately held companies valued at $1 billion or more. In recent years, valuations for tech darlings like Airbnb, Dropbox, Snapchat, Uber, and Square have skyrocketed. Square was valued at $6 billion a year ago, but when the company went public, it was valued at $2 billion less. Even companies that are still private, like Snapchat and Dropbox, have had major investors mark down shares.
I want to talk kind of a little bit about the environment you guys are going public in. You guys started privately valued at $6 billion. You guys are half the value going public. How do you negotiate that difference? What do you say to investors?
The thing is, we have a very long-term view in our company. We want to build a company that endures generation after generation after generation. So this is a moment. This is one moment in time, and we're going to get back to work, and we're going to continue to build value in our business.
To shareholders, you say this is a busy guy. He's now the CEO of Twitter. He's also the CEO of Square. What do you tell shareholders about being able to handle those two jobs?
I approach it with a lot of self-awareness, a lot of honor, and a lot of thoughtfulness. And it's something that I want to make sure that we are focused on the one thing that we can do, which is really build an experience that people love.
For Dorsey, bolstering the local coffee shop, supporting small business, is personal.
When you started out Square, it was to help small businesses be able to help with these processing fees, someone like you. When you started Twitter, it was democratizing communication. What is it about you that loves the underdog?
That's where I come from. That's who my family was. I come from St. Louis, Missouri, and I just love building tools that give people a broader ambition, give people a broader voice, and give them everything they need to follow their passion.
Whether that passion leads to profitability remains to be seen when Square releases its first earnings report.